What's up, people? So before I move on with today's episode, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update on where Jane's at right now. Some of you have been DMing me on Instagram asking me where she is and stuff, so this one's for you guys. Jane's still currently in the shops right now. There are some slight hiccups along the way, but it's all been sorted. So she's gonna be out really soon, and hopefully she's gonna be in the next episode for you guys. But in the meantime, here's a couple pictures of her on screen right now that my friend took from me when they went down to the shop. So yeah, I also heard she's going into paint today, so that's a clear sign that she's definitely gonna be out any day now. So I really can't wait to get her back out. I've been dying to get back behind the wheel and go for a short drive or a long drive. So let's get back to the main part of this video, which is an unboxing video. Got a couple more packages the past few months and I've not opened any one of them up yet. So the last one that came in was this white box here. This one came in from Australia about 2.5 weeks ago or so. And I'm really excited to show you guys what's in here. So let's start unboxing. Okay, so let's start with the first package. Let's go with this one. Yeah, I saw this and I got this for a really good deal. It's why I kind of bought it. So I'm gonna wash this up. Some of you guys might already know what this is. There we go. So this is an old logo Nismo shirt back, I think in the late 80s, early 90s. You can see here Nismo International Racing Team. So yeah, this is really nice, and I think this is also in my size because I'm Asian and I'm small sized. So yeah, I'm really excited I got this. I might wear this to one of the shows next time. So yeah, let's put this aside for now. So my address information was still on there, so I had to cut the video. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the white box for last because that one's the most exciting one. Okay, so that box, in that box we have a couple more 180SX brochures, another 180SX Type X brochure as well. So yeah, I'm really starting to collect more of this. I might have a couple extras, so might let it go. Got a whole stack of Nismo brochures, their apparel catalog and stuff over the years. Yeah, I got way more, a lot more. So some other brochures and stuff, so that's really a lot. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to go through all of this in another separate video. I'll go through them in more detail and stuff. And the last one in that package is a 2000 Nismo catalog. I don't think I have to open them up. You guys know what it looks like. So that's some more Nismo brochures and catalog that I got. So let's put this aside and let's open the big box. Oh, it's a small one. Okay. It's taped up really nice. I think it's if I remember correctly, I think this is a gear knob. I can't remember because I bought this a couple months ago. So it might be a gear knob of some sort. It's packaged really well. Like all Japanese stuff when you order them. Ah yeah, okay. So I got an old logo Nismo shift now. I finally got one. This one is in pretty decent condition and I didn't pay a ridiculous amount for one. There's some blemishes and stuff, so but it doesn't really bother me. So yeah, it shows that it's been used, it's been loved. I don't have to have a new one, and yeah, it's a really nice piece. Wow, okay, I forgot about this. Okay, so I bought some condition is really good actually. So I bought some floor mats that you guys are gonna see in a sec. I'm really excited to show you guys what this is. I didn't expect the condition to be that good on the underside. So, but yeah, got an extra one inside. That's a bonus. Okay, so the first one you can see already. That's old logo Nismo floor mats for the R32, the R32, the S13. I think basically they kind of fit the same way. And yeah, the badge on the bottom is in pretty good shape considering its edge. It has a few scuff marks, but yeah, it doesn't really bother me. This is the driver's side. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, hope this is in frame because I'm a little bit too lazy to get up. So this is the driver's side. Put this aside here, and then we have the passenger side as well. This one's in mint condition. There's no scuff on the plate itself, and taking a look at the back, it looks like it's never been used at all actually. Even this, for the driver's side, I don't know why the scuff marks, because the Nismo pad itself, the Nismo padding itself doesn't look like there's any signs of wear. Normally this is where you put your feet at, and yeah, it's either been cleaned up really well or it's barely been used, because all these pegs, they've not been worn down or anything, and there's no rust or anything like when people take their mats up to wash and stuff. So overall, this is a really good grab. And the guy also threw in this for me, so it's a 180SX mat. This one has obviously been used. You can see a lot of scratches on it, on the 180SX leather and stuff, and it's starting to come off from the mat. But yeah, again, the underside is in really great condition. Even still has the embossed Nissan word on there. The pegs, some of it, certain areas are a little bit worn down, but yeah, I'm really happy because he threw this in for me and I managed to get the Nismo mat. So let's put this aside. Okay, so sorry about that. I didn't realize that my camera battery died while unboxing the last box, which came from Australia. As I was saying, this box is from Australia. It's from a place that's called JL Design and Fab. They made this billet CNC'd aluminum center caps for the LMGT2s, and I really wanted a set, but he sold out in the first batch, and he told me I had to wait for like 3 or 4 months for the next batch, but it came in earlier than expected. So yeah, here it is. I just unwrapped one of it, and it looks awesome. Definitely won't see a problem with these. The only thing that I'm worried about is you know, scuffing them up, because this is anodized black, I believe. So yeah, in the future, if like the anodize flakes off or you drop it and stuff, hopefully maybe it won't happen, but you could spray it black still and stuff. So yeah, the pegs are all aluminum, so you don't ever have to worry about them breaking off like the common problems with the plastic ones. And from what JL told me, JL Design and Fab told me, you don't have to use the locking ring that they give with the original ones, like this one you see here. They would just lock in place because it's aluminum, it doesn't flex and stuff. But I'll see how it goes. I might just you know, put it in still, but there's no groove for me to put it in because it's not cut out, so I'm gonna take his word on that. And yeah, so you can see the original version, the plastic ones. One of these that I have from my original set that came with the LMGT2s, one of the legs or the pegs already broke off. So this is the common problem with the center caps for the LMGT2s, because they're plastic. And also another difference is the emblem on the billet one. The original ones, you can see the font is a little bit different. This one's a lot thinner, so I might try and see if I can swap this over. Here's another look at the old logo Nismo shift knob. It's in really great condition. I'll just give this a polish and stuff before I install it, or I'll see. Yeah, let me know if you guys really want to see a video, in-depth video of all this Nismo brochure for you guys, you know, showing you stuff that they used to sell back in the day, like Calisonic stuff, Advent stuff, Bridgestone, you know, and all the apparels, the caps, even a folding chair. This one is a really rare piece. I've only ever seen one or two. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing episode. Do remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe as well. And also follow me on Instagram and my other social media accounts. Links are down in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.